Hi guys, so I'm going to be going over how I did the Alex Faction inspired Pennywise mask look that I posted on Instagram recently. Unfortunately, I did lose the footage of me doing the skin prep and outline of the mask on my gorgeous model here, which is my boyfriend. So I'm sorry about that, but cutting into where we start here, I've already applied my white foundation base for my mask, and I'm going in with a red liquid lipstick for my kit, applying that on the nose area, the mouth, and to create those notorious Pennywise laugh lines. For the mask, we're gonna be doing more of like a jagged outline, and this is so that it gives the appearance that the mask has been stretched over his skin. We're gonna go in later with some shadows and detailing in order to bring that to life, but the point is to not have it be a straight mask. It's a little bit more fitted to the face. Right here you see I'm adding shadows. I'm using a cool tone brown as well as a bit of black to add shadow where the normal contours of the face go, the laugh lines around the chin area, and this is just to bring shape back into the face, make it look like a fitted mask. I'm also adding a bit of shadow around the edges of the mask, and this is going to help create an illusion that the mask is a bit more defined, lifted off the face a little bit, making it a little bit more 3D. You know, I think the whole idea of clowns being scary and such a great Halloween costume, whichever way you kind of interpret it and manipulate it, I think the idea is just, you know, what's behind the mask, you don't know. So we're really playing it up with this look here. And I'm adding some shadow into the eyebrows, the inner corner of the eye. This just adds to the definition around the chin and the jawline. I'm going to be adding scab blood from the local Halloween store around the corners of the mask, and this is just so that it looks like the mask has been pinned to his face in a way. And going back in with that white eyeliner with an eyeliner brush, I'm redefining the outline of the mask. Since we did do a bit of shading, that outline was a bit lost. And if you have like a prop, kind of like, you know, little screws or anything, you can glue that to the corners of the mask. It really gives it, you know, just that extra touch. Now for the eyes, after applying my base, I'm going to be using black shadow as well as that cool tone brown that we've been using to just smoke out the crease. Also going to be applying a black gel liner onto the lid and smoking that out to complete our smoky eye. I'm filling in the eyebrows with a black shadow just to make them a bit more menacing and scary. and filling in any sparse areas. I'm adding black and white lines around the borders of the mask, and this is to give it the illusion that the mask is being stretched across his face. Close up it looks a little bit crazy, but at a distance, and especially for photography, it does really give that illusion. Going in with black and brown shadow around the outside of the mask, and this is again just to make it look a bit more 3D and have the mask pop out. I'm going to be applying scab blood onto the laugh lines, the nose, and the lip just to give it an extra creepy factor. And this is the final look, guys. Please let me know if you have any questions, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what else you'd like to see. Thank you.